What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you moms and dads out there how to make a chalkboard sign for your kids' first day back to school. Stay tuned. So this is the sign that I did for last year for Noah when he went to first grade, and there's parts of it that he really likes, so I'm not going to be doing the sign completely from scratch. The majority of it I will be redoing, but he wants me to keep this gold banner, and he also wants me to keep a couple of other things like a class of 2030. I may change the color, and then I have to redo a couple of these things, but usually I just do a quick little interview with my kid, asking him what he wants to be, what he loves, what he hates, what his favorite movie is, those kinds of things, and then I just make a sign. And then as far as supplies, I usually use these markers. I got them at Michael's. You can find them pretty much at any craft store. They can be a little pricey, but I've been collecting them over the years. I make signs for everything. And I usually have on hand anything that can help me make a circle, big or small. So you're gonna for sure need that. Something that'll help you make a straight line, which I would just use like the edge of this, or a ruler, or any kind of paper or something to help you make straight lines, like you see right there. And then you always want to make sure that you have some napkins and water. I always have water with napkins because more than likely you will mess up. I do it all the time. So yeah, here we go. So first I'll be taking some napkins and wetting them just a little bit, just enough, so I can start erasing parts of the sign. I forgot to mention that you can get these boards at Michael's. Usually I buy a new one every year, but I really loved this board. And the sign I did last year, it was kind of last minute and I rushed. And I don't really care to keep it. So that's why I'm okay with erasing this one and I didn't buy a new one. But now is the best time to try like your local Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby usually has like a 40% off coupon that you can use. Or Michael's will sometimes have like a 30 or 40% off coupon, but usually right now they have a ton of these and they're on sale. So go ahead and check one of those local stores out. So we're gonna get started on working on the sign. Just so you know, when you get the markers, they come new. They come like this. They're usually wrapped up individually. Sometimes they're not, which is okay. But I just wanted to let you guys know that when you first use the marker, it's gonna be dry. This one isn't new. But when you first use it, it's dry, and you have to kind of press down on something to get the ink going. But you want to be very careful because as you can see, it starts to run once it starts coming out. So don't do it right on the sign the first time as you're trying to press it out. I learned the hard way and had a huge blob on my sign. So yeah, when you're working with new markers, make sure you kind of do this. Let the ink start flowing and cover the entire felt tip. They have round tips, they have the chisel tip. I like the chisel tip. I do have some round tips, but make sure you do it on something that you don't care that gets messed up. As you can see, I do it a lot. So yeah, that'll help you make less errors also. So let's get started. So that was the process of making Noah's second grade sign. This is the final product. If you would like to see more videos like this, comment in the bottom, like, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Bye!